Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
It is on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meals, she will and fresh you. She's Nana the Saucy Chef, what y'all cooking? A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana the Saucy Chef. She's Nana the Saucy Chef. She's Nana the Saucy Chef. She's Nana the Saucy Chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be making orange chicken. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 pound of chicken breast cut into bite-sized pieces, 1 cup of freshly squeezed orange juice, vegetable oil, the zest of 1 orange, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 1/2 cup of cornstarch, 2 eggs, 1/3 cup of low sodium soy sauce, 1/4 cup of rice vinegar, 1/4 cup of honey, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of water, sesame seeds for garnish. I have chopped scallions, only the green part for garnish, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes. The first thing we're going to do is season our chicken breast. So we're going to add in our black pepper and our salt. Just want to go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. After you season your chicken, you want to get your cornstarch and your eggs, and you want to have a baking sheet with a wire rack over top. We're going to set our chicken pieces onto it. Okay, now we're going to take one of our chicken chunks and we're going to place it into our cornstarch. I'm going to make sure it's well coated. Then we're going to place it into our egg. Make sure it's coated. Then we're going to sit it onto our wire rack. Okay guys, make sure they're nicely covered in both the cornstarch and the egg. Okay guys, now in a wok or a skillet, you want to heat your oil up. Once your oil has come to temperature, you can go ahead and add your chicken, and you want to cook them in batches. And we're going to cook them for 3 to 4 minutes until they get golden. After 4 minutes, you want to go ahead and remove them. And you want to place them on a dish lined with paper towels. Then you can repeat the process. I have my second batch in. Okay, so I'm finishing up with my last batch. Okay, now in a saucepan over medium-high heat, we're going to add in our orange juice. Rice vinegar. Soy sauce. Our orange zest. Our grated ginger. Our minced garlic, and also some of our red pepper flakes, and we're also going to add in our honey. Now we're just going to whisk that all together until it's well combined, and we're going to let it come to a simmer. Now we're going to make our cornstarch slurry. You You're going to take your 2 tablespoons of water and your tablespoon of cornstarch. And we're just going to mix it together. Make sure everything is well combined. Your sauce has come to a simmer. You want to add in your cornstarch slurry. You just want to mix it until it's well combined. And we're going to cook it for 2 to 3 minutes until our sauce has thickened. The sauce has thickened. We're going to begin to add in our chicken. Once you've added your chicken, you want to go ahead and give it a nice stir until all the pieces are well coated. Then you can turn off your heat. Okay guys, so now you can go ahead and get some sesame seeds if you would like, and just sprinkle it over top. Then we're going to add some scallions. Okay guys, so here we have it, our orange chicken. This is perfect over top of white rice. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?